For the more than 100 accusers of Harvey Weinstein, it was a shock.
This today is an act of institutional betrayal.
In a 4-3 decision, the New York Court of Appeals finding Weinstein is entitled to a new trial. His spokesperson.
I am so sorry. So all I'm hearing is the rich guy has to get out. I'm sorry, that's all I'm hearing. Let me know if you hear something different.
Speaking to NBC's Chloe Malas.
What he did might have been insensitive, might have been unethical, but it wasn't a crime. And in order for them to bring it back, they're going to have to find witnesses to come forward with actual crimes.
Now, see, call me crazy, but it says New York appeals court overturns Weinstein rape conviction. So when does rape no longer become a crime? I'm a little baffled here. Let me know in the comments, is rape a crime? Because I'm confused.
Weinstein was charged with crimes in New York involving 3 women and convicted in 2020 of rape and sexual assault. But That trial also included testimony from 3 other women who made allegations that never led to charges. Today, the majority in the Court of Appeals concluding the trial court made egregious errors, erroneously admitting that testimony, calling it unnecessary.
The jury was able to look at that and probably infer that.
Okay, so if the other 3 was unnecessary, then why does it even matter? He's still raped. It ain't saying allegedly raped. He still raped 3 women.
He was guilty in the past, so he must be guilty now.
And that's what this higher court said can't be allowed.
That's right.
The state court of appeals also said the trial court abused its discretion when it said Weinstein could be cross-examined about those other 3 women.
And even if he denied them, just the fact of being accused of them could allow the jury to infer his guilt based on prior behavior.
He then decided not to testify. One of those women was Dawn Dunning. Today she said, "People have asked me if I regret having testified. Was this all for naught? And my answer is a resounding no." We spoke with other Weinstein accusers not involved in the trial.
So all of the fear and the panic and the...
I'm sorry, but if he gets out, then at this point, you might as well just let every single person that was so-called, quote-unquote, convicted of rape leave. Or Kelly, all of them. They need to just get out if he's able to get out. Because this is not making any sense. It doesn't make a difference if those 3 women, if their testimony don't count. If those other 3 women was rape, how you gonna sit down and say that it wasn't against the law? Unless you're telling me that rape conviction is not against the law.
The confusion from the original trauma comes back.
I'm deeply concerned. It's a setback for justice for survivors.
In a dissenting opinion, 3 justices wrote, "Men who serially sexually exploit their power over women will reap the benefit of today's decision."
We've already heard this refrain about Me Too has gone too far. And I think that there's going to be some people out there thinking,
sorry, but reap the benefit of today's decision. I don't know why, but that sounds to me like a reward. Reap the benefit. I mean, let me know in the comments, am I overthinking this? I need to know.
oh, good. So now we've redressed the balance. And I don't think Me Too ever went far enough.
So, Kate, what happens now?
So the Manhattan District Attorney's Office, Lester, says that they will do everything in their power to retry the case. Weinstein's representative says for now he will remain in New York. And remember, Weinstein is appealing a 16-year sentence for rape in California. His L.A. attorney tonight says the New York decision has a significant impact on that pending appeal, saying the L.A. trial judge, quote, made the same errors as the New York trial court, Lester.
All right. Kate, thanks very much. Thanks for watching.
So I just looked it up. It says Harvey Weinstein has a net worth of $25 million. Now, call me crazy, but to me, I seriously am hearing, and let me know because I need for you all to correct me on this. All I am hearing is money is in jail. It's time for money to come out. And they are pulling straws, looking for loopholes. Please let me know. I mean, I'm overthinking this. I need to know. You know, yeah, just let me know. Let's get involved.